Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn EVS and our topic name is air. Students, air is very much important for all living things to live. What are the people in the picture doing? Look at the pictures carefully. In first picture, man is pumping air in bicycle tire. In second picture, girl is blowing air in balloon. In third picture, man is filling air in car tire. Students, let us do an activity. Take a bucket full of water. Take a small narrow container in it. Hold it upside down and the surface of the water, and without tilting it, push it down into the water. Now allow it to tilt. So what do you see, students? Bubbles rise at the ones to the top. So what does it tells us? Air is lighter than water. So air bubble rise to the top as soon as the container is tilted. Now we will learn what is atmosphere. The earth on which we live is round in shape like a ball. There is air all around the earth. The covering of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. Student, let us do one more activity. Take a slightly deep dish like a saucer. Stand the candle at its center. Fill water in the dish. Students, here I have taken colored water. Now light the candle. Now place a glass tumbler over the candle. So students, what you have seen? Soon the candle goes out and the level of water inside the tumbler rises up to a certain level. Why does this happen? One of the constituents of air helps burning. As it gets used up, water rises in the tumbler. When the constituent is finished, the candle goes out. The water level too stops rising. This constituent of air that helps burning is called oxygen gas. Oxygen, the Earth's atmosphere, is made up of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the parts. The oxygen in the air is used both for burning as well as respiration. Carbon dioxide. Plants make their food using air and water in presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from the air. Students, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So same carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food. There are several gases present in air. In other words, air is a mixture of several gases. Now if we draw a circle to represent air, then the quantity of each gas in the mixture will be shown as alongside. As you can see, nitrogen is in blue in color, oxygen is in orange in color, and yellow is for other gases. So student, what we have learnt in this chapter? Air is present all around us, even in places that appear to be empty. There is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called atmosphere. The layers of air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layer are rarer. Air is a mixture of several gases. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor are its main constituents.